You
Please put
got
it
your
All
on.
right,
you
we're
Put
gonna
it
told
look
your
out on
on
you,
your
ass to
Judge.
be
But you
schedule.
quiet.
better get your ass turn yourself in, cause she said you on the run with that son bitch that he took catching them dogs. Look, they gonna
But
send. She
I
said she
called
sent the
my
ABCs
attorney.
at you. I don't know who the ABCs
I
is.
took care of it, Judge Trendsetta.
I
Miss
know. I
Peaches,
called.
we need you to do an
I'm
evaluation on her.
telling you, I was over
So
there with you. You seen me. But
Yeah.
I was also over there in
yeah,
Poetic Art Inn, so maybe
and
we
I
can get
came upstairs
pictures from her
and I
coming
went on
along.
poetic platform. I showed y'all with me sitting in the audience. I did not take a picture, but I did come on screen and let y'all see the children on the stage. So I did. Pumpkin, I'm gonna let you, Pumpkin. I'm gonna let you up. I'm gonna let you up when Peaches get through doing her court announcements. I got you down for a juror. So y'all know we got a good trial tonight, and it's probably gonna get a little touchy. This trial tonight is about whites and blacks and being in certain spaces, and what is too much, and when is enough. So tonight, this live might get. Hey, Nene. Okay, she's here. So tonight might get a little edgy. But if you cannot handle conversations about blacks and white, speaking of Juneteenth, this is not the live for you. It's going to get very touchy. And a lot of people are going to think that some are prejudiced. All that. We're not. Y'all just saw us raise good money today for one of our Caucasian family members. So we're not going to bring discrimination into this. We're going to talk about the trial at hand. So if Beverly in Tea Time is here, we have T Mac up here. She is going to do the court's anthem. And then Peaches is going to read us our notes. And then Just will be swearing us in. I think I have jurors up here. We will drop two for everybody. We know we have
You can drop me.
attorneys tonight. Period, Pooh. Uh, listen, don't be wearing my attorney out. And Glock,
Please check the
I'm gonna
messages.
pay my restitution fees to my attorney right now. Um, Glock, what are your restitutions?
15 corns.
Okay. I'm paying my restitutions. I'm gonna give a little bit of a raise tonight because my attorney had to work after hours for me, and it was probably a little short notice. We do know some of these attorneys are requiring two galaxies and all that. Just be ready to pay your own restitution to your attorney once asked. My
I
attorney is
chose I
paid.
chose I
Those were
chose 10
donations,
lines.
Miss Netra. That she
Okay,
needed
I'm
corn.
going.
I chose 10
That
lines,
is
know what I'm
corn. That
saying?
I gave her hearts.
Corn.
That's love.
No,
Corn.
corn, corn,
Corn.
corn.
Oh, I sent hearts. Now let me.
You
I better
just
get some
don't.
corn. What a
Yeah, Judge
corn.
Popcorn, uh,
I ain't never seen a corn. Oh, there go the corn. Corn.
can
Okay.
y'all hear me?
We hear
Yeah,
you,
we hear
Slim.
you.
Go ahead.
Hey, Miss Netra, can I add something heavy but not like I'm gonna get out of here after that I ask this though.
Ask it.
I need
Uh-oh.
I need I need prayers real quick, feel me? Uh I'm having complications with pregnancy or whatever, feel me? And I gotta go. But yeah, like just pray for a healthy pregnancy, you know what I'm saying?
For real, I
Uh
will.
anybody, everybody.
Prayers coming your way, Slim. You got
Prayers
this.
coming your way.
If
Praying
y'all
for
on
you.
some bullshit and y'all praying for my downfall, hey fuck you. But yeah,
No,
seriously,
we gonna pray
I
for
need
this
healthy prayers.
healthy
Praying for
baby.
you, Slim.
We
That
praying
What
prayers
for
for
part of
you.
you.
California you in? What
Yeah,
part of
in real life,
California you
Slim,
in?
we are praying.
I'm in the Bay Area. But
Okay, I
yeah,
think I asked you that before. Yeah, if you need
we
anything,
having a
put in
little
the same time
complication.
zone.
But I
I
gotta
got
go.
All
We
right,
praying,
prayers for you,
Slim.
Slim.
No
Love
weapon
you.
formed. That baby gonna be healthy. Keep us updated.
No
All
weapon
right,
formed.
thank
I
you.
do want to read out a couple of cash apps. I did send the money. Kay is here, y'all. God bless her today with an overflow. T, you got a little mute. God bless her today with an overflow. But I stopped at Tashi Alika, Arlene, Sharon, Michelle, Taniqua, Lavada, Blackberry, Brenda, Examine Plus Diagnostic Labs, uh, and if any other have came through, I will catch up with them. But I do want to say thank you to everybody. Tyrese, Monisha, thank you all that contributed today for the family that is suffering. The mom and daughter are suffering. The mom is her mom is watching her father pass, and she just wanted to kind of take a burden off of her mother and help her. She did show proof that she sent every dime to her mom, and I sent her the money. So we thank y'all for being so participating. If y'all only knew. When I say overflow, that's what I mean. Thank y'all so much. God is good. We getting ready to get into this case. Peaches, once you give, let's hear from T-Mac, the national trendsetter anthem, and then we'll hear from Peaches, drop Peaches. We have to make room for the attorney, K-Dub, and for Miss Beverly. Y'all hold on to your popcorn, because tonight is about to get nasty. T-Mac, take us to the trendsetter anthem, if you do not mind.
First of all, Judge Trendsetta, I'd like to ask for your forgiveness. I missed court this earlier today. I had to sing at the Super Bowl, so I just want to please forgive me.
Was this the hockey Super Bowl? Because we know the football Super Bowl is over.
Oh, it was the Super Bowl. I just know it was one I was on. Yeah,
it was one of them. Okay, long as you was at one of them, that's all that matters. Go ahead and sing that anthem, please.
Okay, everybody, please rise for the Judge Trendsetter anthem. This one is a little special one. It's a themed one for today.
Sing, girl. Sing.
Okay, sing, T-Mac. I only think of you on 2 occasions, that day and silent night. Oh,
take your time.
holy night.
Take your time.
All is calm. All is bright. Oh, happy day. Oh, happy day. Oh, happy day. Oh, happy day. When Jesus washed, when Jesus washed, when Jesus washed, when Jesus washed, he washed my sins away. Oh, happy day. He taught me how.
Oh, you turned up a notch. This was, you practiced, didn't you, girl? You were,
Yes, ma'am.
Let me get you some coin over there. Hold on. I mean, you worked that song. I ain't heard it like that before. This is good to me, guys. T-Mac, I don't know. We don't have enough coins on TikTok to give you for the way you sang. You hear me?
That's okay, Judge. I love you so much. I do it for you.
I know you do.
You make
don't
my
leave out your comment, cousins. Okay?
I'm gonna say this is a little serious. I really do it for you, Judge Trendsetter. I love it. I love doing it. I thank you a lot for allowing me to do it. I don't think you know what you do for me, and I'm gonna put you on the DMs.
I don't appreciate it.
I love y'all.
Thank you. Okay, well,
have a good night.
Okay, we'll see you back tomorrow. It's Freaking Friday. Think of what you're gonna sing for Kevin, Rick the Ruler. We're gonna need something big.
Okay. Thank y'all for the gifts.
So, guys, we have a couple.
Yes, Your Honor, I am ready. A few housekeeping items before we begin, but whenever you're ready, I'll address them.
Okay. I'm gonna get Peaches to go over. Once we go over those rules, we're gonna give 5 minutes for K-Dub. I saw her in the queue, but Pumpkin will drop down for K-Dub, and not Pumpkin. Peaches will drop down for K-Dub. Oh, she's up here for Beverly. Okay, I thought, okay. Excuse me for having that ass backwards. I only been running around trying to get here on time, and then
Get us confused.
uh, go ahead, Peaches. Let us hear from you.
Greetings, Judge Trendsetta, jurors. This is Miss Peaches, your good old court writing reporter. This is the case versus docket number 06132024 Tea Time versus Queen Jules for fraud, and then it turned into Tea Time versus YT Beverly. She requested a restraining order for her to stay out of a BLK space. Open remarks were given by AJ earlier, and she requested for tomatoes at Queen Jules for not showing up. Tea Time came in and she said, "Hey, listen, I have a couple information I need to give you all." When she gave us the information, she said Sunday the YT lady Beverly, that she kept daggone harassing her, asking her questions about Queen Jewel, and why the YT lady, I think her name is Beverly, kept asking about Queen Jewel and kept having beef in the comments. Tea Time read YT Beverly for filth. A long email was sent to Tea Time. Exhibit A was an email from the YT lady dated June 9, 2024. That was only 4 days ago. Tea Time read the email. U was in capital letters, Ever was in capital letters, and she made sure she read that email for what it needed to be read for. Tea Time was on vacation, and while she was on vacation, she didn't respond right away. However, when she did get a chance to respond, she did. At this time, this is the second or third time that she had to read that young lady for filth. This is not something that happens. It's an ongoing situation. Exhibit B was given. She sent screenshots of Bella's court. That was the YT lady Beverly, y'all. And Tea Time said, "Don't bring me no bones. No, that's not welcome in my space because I spill tea. That's my whole name." And that happened on June 10th. TT is requesting a restraining order and she wants her out of BOK spaces. TT petitioned the YT lady stays out of all BLK spaces for 30 days. Judge Trendsetta got involved. Once Judge Trendsetta got involved, we realized this was going to be a long race to the end. We figured out that this daggone individual has been taunting the plaintiff by leapfrogging from space to space on every platform. And we did a poll, and the poll was, is there a theme as crossing the line in a community? 97.14% said there is, 2.86 said there wasn't. Maybe because the other lady was in there. Econ said she has captions for from the YT lady, said this is for your pain and being a pain in your A $. We decided to do a continuance, and that's where we're at this time. Judge Trendsetta, I turn the court over back to you.
Thank you, Peaches. Let me pay you tonight because you are one of the best court reporters that I've ever had, and you keep up. You keep up. Like you keep up, you keep good notes. That was a good recap of Tea Time versus Beverly. White Tea Beverly, in case there are any other Beverlys out there. We're speaking of this one particular one. I'm sure there's other white ones, but this one knows what we're talking about. She had the blue horse in the chat earlier. Thank you, Miss Peaches. We really appreciate your services here in Judges Trendsetta's courtroom. Now, Rude was a juror today, and I did tell Rude once I came back that I would still be making her a juror. So, Miss Rude, if you are here, please, please, please send a request to come up. I am going to rotate you, Big Papa, if you don't mind, and bring Rude up because the other box will be for Honey. Not Honey.
Understood, Judge.
Okay, but please don't leave because tomorrow I will need some men jurors, and I need to know if you're going to be a juror tomorrow with the Rick the Ruler and Kev the comic. You'll probably want to do that one instead of this.
I sure will, Judge. I will definitely be here.
Okay. Hey, Poozy
Your Honor, out of curiosity, I'm sorry for interrupting.
AJ, Attorney AJ, could you properly introduce yourself to the court, please?
Not a problem at all. Thank you so much for having me. Good evening, Your Honor. Good evening, honorable courts. My name is AJ Esquire. I am official attorney on record for the Corn Cartel. Good evening, cartel members.
Oh, so you one of us now. You one of us.
I am official Esquire for the Corn Cartel. However, If you need representation, you're welcome to reach out to me. If my calendar is not full with the cartel members, I do accept new clients on a case by case basis. If you're looking like a loser, I don't usually pick up cases that I don't think I'm gonna win. So that probably will speak a lot to how I feel about your case when you reach out. But reach out nonetheless. You never know what you're gonna get. Sometimes I do feel a little balls.
All right. So,
Netra,
do you have restitution fees, Attorney AJ? Do you have
I do
restitution?
have I do have restitution fees. So Your Honor, Tea Time with Ty was ordered to pay restitution. However, my ex-husband, Chicago John, down in the comments have already taken care of that. I did request that if both Jewel, yep, both Jewel and Beverly were found guilty today, that each of them issue a money gun for restitution, Your Honor. I hope that pleases the courts.
It will. Thank you. I sure appreciate your attorney, AJ. Very beautiful attorneys coming through here. You guys make sure you grab good attorneys when you're having cases. If you all did not know, we officially received our first paternity case last night. This is, from what I understand, finding out later that this is a real case. So we are awaiting test results of this case, and we will come back here and see if the father is a father or if the mother will be returning $10,262 to this alleged father. Now, word on TikTok, baby's life. The baby is now 7 months old, and we the people want to know: is he the daddy or not? Huh? Huh? That's what we
Your
want to
Honor,
know.
Your Honor,
We are the nosy folks of TikTok. We ain't lying. The coming cousins is nosy. The ones standing on the porch, nosy. The ones inside this live right now, nosy. Us in the box, nosier. So when we find out, we gonna let y'all know. Huh? Nosy
check
or
your
not?
cash out.
Your Honor, may I speak?
Check your cash out.
Pumpkin, are you gonna let her know that they violated her gag order? Because that's what I was about to do.
That's exactly right. That was.
Okay. You want me to do it, or you go right
You
ahead?
could no. You go ahead and do it.
All
Was
right.
it both of?
Your
I
Honor,
know it was. I
You
know it
got
was
one.
Uchi.
yeah, it was
Uchi was
both of them.
talking. Okay.
It was both of them. Your Honor, I'd like to issue a motion to the courts right now for contempt on both Uchi Coochie, the ruler, and Yaya, his baby mother, who appeared in
Didn't
court
we
yesterday.
give strict orders?
Yes, Your Honor,
Hold
we
on,
did.
let me
And
go through
both
my court notes
individuals.
from last night. Thank you, Fab, for feeding my giraffe. Look at that, baby. Eat. Get you something to eat, yum yum. Get you something to eat, giraffe. June the 13th. Yeah, 1 week, lab court, Uchi, Coochie, la la la. 12 Central Standard Time, 7 month old. Case number 06122024. No daycare had been given. Thanks, Uchi Test. Public apology, $10,262. Partial custody. I'm going through my notes last night. Y'all give me 2.2. State assistance. 1 week, 7 day results. Mother, state assistance, Friday. 5 year gag order. Yeah. After carefully reading over my notes from last night, we need to make sure that we get warrants out. So did both of them violate the gag orders?
I
They
heard
both did, Your
Uchi.
Honor. Yes.
I
Where
heard
was this seen at?
Uchi
On
was
Uchi's
live.
live.
Mm-hmm.
I know damn well Uchi didn't go
Yes,
live and talk
yes, Your
about
Honor.
this paternity thing.
Yes, Your Honor, he did.
Did we tell Uchi not to do that?
I'll be honest, the only thing that I heard Uchi say, someone came up in this panel and said, "Oh, you was so good last night in court." He said, "Yes." He said, "I don't know what Yaya was talking about," and that's all he said when I
That
heard.
I
that
know
does,
damn well. Pumpkin, did you interrupt court services and me being sworn in to say he really didn't say nothing, Pumpkin?
but
You
Your
ain't got
Honor,
no evidence against this man, Pumpkin?
actually, Your Honor, I have someone sending me
Your
the
Honor,
video as
he
we
said her
speak.
name. He said her name, Your Honor. Your Honor.
Wake up! He said a name. Huh? That's it? Huh?
No, he said that he didn't know what she was talking about last night. He said Yaya is a mess.
I know that.
I would like to point out, though, Your Honor. I would like to point out, though, Your Honor, the defendant is very aware of the capacity of my plaintiff, my client, Your Honor, and he knows that her trigger is a hairy one. Okay, and
Oh,
so
so him
even
saying her
mentioning,
name triggered her.
yes,
Y'all need to
Your
get
Honor.
off the gas, AJ. AJ, your
Your
credentials
Honor,
is too good for this.
you have had the opportunity to meet my client. You know that she can be incited very easily, Your Honor. I ask that the court just make note and not take light of the fact that Uchi is aware of this as well, and he incited my client, Your Honor.
Well, you better
He
be
did.
glad you know your words, AJ. You better
Provoked her,
be.
Your Honor.
You better be glad you went to school, huh? Huh? You went to school, AJ?
I did, Your Honor.
We dealing with a bad one, y'all. Huh? Huh? She the only one can change the judge's mind. This is good to me. This is good to me. AJ, I'm gonna need you to repeat that when my pen start back right. I done ran out of ink with y'all, but you know what?
What about me? Did I get to change your mind, Your Honor?
Pumpkin, mook up. You mook up. You changed my mind, all right. Yeah, yeah. You changed it to probably number one. A warning. Huh? Huh? Huh, Pumpkin?
Can I speak now?
I know damn well. Just what is she in a hurry for? Number two, huh, Just? How is she in a hurry? Pumpkin, send your 50 coins right now. I'm sick of you, huh?
Kill her.
It ain't looking good for you, Tornado. I'm the storm in here tonight. T-Time done got us in here after hours. And then Beverly ass
I'm
ain't
sorry, Your
here.
Honor. I'm so sorry, Your Honor.
Beverly was in the comments talking big this evening. Let me see if she in one of these doors that's down here ringing. She better be beating it down. K-Dub, where is your witness?
Your Honor, I spoke with my witness. I've actually been speaking with my witness for the past 2 hours. I also spoke with her shortly after court was dismissed earlier today, and she assured me that she would be here. However, she did express some concern for being dragged for filth, and that is a quote, um, and was very much so nervous that she would be dragged. So I'm
She's
not
here,
sure
Your Honor.
if she is in the requests or not. However, she did assure me that she would be
Eat,
here.
baby. Oh, Pumpkin,
She's
yeah.
here. She's here,
Pumpkin
K
over there
Dub.
back and gave my
She's
baby
here, K
something to
Dub.
eat.
I saw her comment.
So
She is
let's
here.
get let's go over the rules then so the folk know. So Pumpkin, you think feed my baby outside gonna do you some good, huh? Huh? I see you out there feeding my baby.
Yes, I gave him an extra a coin.
Okay, keep it cute. But don't get pretty with it, okay? Keep it cute.
I'm just
And,
letting you
and,
know,
and if
Your
he
Honor.
and if he don't get up in the morning, I know who I'm coming to look for.
Oh
He better
God.
get up. He better get up. That's all I know. Baby, I just got him. I just got him.
Well,
Huh?
look, you don't have to
Huh?
worry about.
I just got that giraffe. You will not run him off.
All right, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Anything else? Anything
No,
else?
ma'am, I'm ready to go over the rules because it seems like her ain't nobody been sworn in. That's the problem, Just.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get him sworn. Beverly, get your ass in here. Good evening. Oh, let me go on and tell you, Beverly, we is not gonna drag you in here tonight, huh? This is a fair courtroom, huh, Beverly, huh? Huh? We
Thank
got
you, Your
family
Honor.
members. Uh, Beverly, when I'm talking, I can't hear you. Mika, thank you. Woo, child. This is why I wanted to be a judge. Just I had to get some stuff straightened out around here. Let's get it. Mika just So you gonna watch Law and Order and be in Law and Order tonight, huh? You watching both of them? Just
No, the cousins was they pinging me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My focus is on you.
Mick up.
Okay.
Let's get these hands up, AJ. Let's get them up. Lord,
Beverly, please put your hand up. Thank you.
coming cousins, I need to see your hands. I need to see your hands, cousins. There we go. Let's get your hands up. This baby came in scared. She worried about y'all. Cause she done see what y'all do to people. Huh? You coming cousins is wrong. Y'all been doing this a long time. It's time y'all get stopped. So we got their hands up, Beverly. You hear me? Huh? This is good to me. Do y'all solemnly and solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth on over here today? So help us God.
I do.
I
I
do.
do.
I do.
I do. Lord have mercy. This here I can tell now. The judge gonna need a glass of wine for this one, huh? This one here finna get rough. AJ,
I'm ready, Your Honor. I am strapped up and ready.
are you ready to call your witness to the stand? Because the coming cousins is making a ruling here tonight.
Your
Y'all got
Honor,
to state your cases and make us understand.
Your Honor, actually, if I could just confer with my client really quickly to see if she has anyone else she'd like for me to present. I'm willing to rest my case if she does not and allow um, co-counsel to question their witness, and I'll just cross-examine.
Nah, we good. We good. We good over here.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we've built pretty strong of a case. Um, co-counsel, if you'd like to call your witness, and I'll cross-examine.
The plaintiff's burden to show proof, so I will allow you to call your first witness. Thank you.
And y'all don't forget tomorrow night, Big Peach Icon and Miss Netra will be
We already
having
called.
our
I already had
battle.
my witness. My witness was tea time. She came on earlier. Your witness is your client, and I was gonna cross-examine her. But if you want me to call your client and ask all the questions first, and you just cross-examine and I redirect, I'm more than willing to do that. That would work for me.
I mean, however you want to play it is fine. I can call my witness first. That's
Go
not a
ahead.
problem.
Go ahead.
Beverly, unmute for me, please.
And Peach Icon, if you're here, please put in the comments what time you and I will be battling tomorrow, Eastern or Central Standard Time. Y'all, me and Peach Icon will have our battle tomorrow night. It is freaking Friday.
Corey, shut up. Sorry.
Ooh.
My apologies, Your Honor.
Mm-hmm. Order in the court. We need some order here with the attorneys. So we're
Your Honor, if I could object, attorneys is plural. However, I was on mute. Thank you.
What?
I'll be right back. Hold on.
That's right, gangster. You a gangster.
Do you want to hold on? You want to go to war?
I do not desire war at all with you, Your Honor. I respect this honorable court. I just would like to not be maligned and drawn into things that are happening with other attorneys. I don't want to be drawn and quartered with her, Your Honor. That's all.
behavior. Your Honor, if
So we want to hear a case. This ain't no battle of the sexes tonight. What are we doing here? Which one of y'all clients is gonna get they chico bitties on a damn stand?
Your Honor, my sincerest apologies. It'll be my client.
Beverly,
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
approach the stand now.
Hi, Beverly. How are you this evening?
I'm doing okay. How are you?
I'm well. Are you aware of the charges that are being brought against you?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you care to elaborate?
No, ma'am.
Well, I'm gonna quite need you to from the beginning, actually. I'm gonna need you to tell me exactly what you have done, as you are being accused of harassing the plaintiff.
She ain't care about elaborating on somebody else's panel.
I know.
Excuse me,
Hold
can you,
on. Order in the court.
Your Honor?
Attorney AJ, you mean to tell me, as good as you are as an attorney, that your client does not know that outbursts like that will result in fines and dismissal of this case?
That
Your
wasn't me,
Honor,
Your
those
Honor.
are my deepest
That
apologies.
wasn't me, Your
My
Honor.
client just got a little bit excited. As you know, this individual has been chasing and provoking and taunting my client for days now, Your Honor. She just had a slight moment where she's completely lost her mind. However, we're gonna draw that back and it will not happen again. Correct, Tea Time?
Absolutely, absolutely. I'm so
We
sorry.
beg the court's forgiveness. Sorry, Your Honor.
That's a warning. Next is a fine. We don't have favoritisms over here, AJ. You might want to get in her ear.
I do understand, Your Honor, and I do not request to be one of the favorites. I simply come here to do my job and protect my clients, and I hope I do that to what pleases the courts.
Let the record show that plaintiff Tea Time has just violated her first warning. This is good to me. This is a case, and we and them comment cousins want to hear it. Proceed, Attorney K. Dub, that is.
Thank you, Your Honor. Goodness, I believe that shows somebody's character. Anywho, dear, my apologies, Beverly. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you are aware of the charges that are being brought against you, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the plaintiff stated that you are harassing her and bullying her simply because she does not want to allow you in her space. Is that true?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Would you care to elaborate as to why you felt that was okay?
Yes, ma'am. So I will say from the beginning, I do and have always enjoyed Tea Times Live. I have asked her questions in the past. I was trying to provide her receipts as her supporter. I thought it would help her. And as a supporter, I just wanted to know what was going on between her and Queen, as a lot of other people do on this app. And I didn't know she was ignoring me. I thought maybe she missed my comment, so I posted it again. And then, it really upset her, and she went off. And I was mad. Like, at this point, I wish I would have never asked that question. But then I wanted to address her and talk about it, and I decided to send her that email because I thought I was welcomed, and I just didn't understand why it had made her so mad. And that did make things worse on my part. It wasn't intended that way at all. And so that's how we got here. But she did state I'm not welcome in her panel anymore. And since she stated that, I have not entered her panel at all.
I was asked to come to a different live to explain what happened. I probably shouldn't have did that. I wasn't bad mouthing her when I did go to the other live. I was simply explaining what had happened. And that did make things worse, and I shouldn't have did that, and I'm sorry.
Your Honor, Your Honor, I would like to bring attention to the plaintiff's green screen, as she is very much so provoking my client yet again.
Objection, Your Honor. My client's green screen is not a photo of the defendant. In fact, it appears to be a photo of a character that we all are very well aware of. His name is Chucky. Okay, Your Honor. So if
Really?
co-counsel would just stay on the case that she's supposed to be proving, we could get something done this evening, Your Honor.
Okay, I see how this is.
Really?
Well, thank you, Your Honor, for hearing me anyway. Beverly, do you understand that number one, Tea Time is not obligated at all whatsoever to speak to you at any time?
Yes, ma'am. And can that picture
You
please
no,
come
ma'am. It's
down?
a yes or no question.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that she is not obligated to speak to you at all at any point in time?
Yes, ma'am.
However, you sent multiple messages and an email specifically to get her attention.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it safe to say that you were a fan of hers?
I was, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you understand that that's wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything else that you would like to bring to the court's attention, as Tea Time has already brought things to the attention, and in our opinion, to sway the jury?
Yes, ma'am. I definitely take full accountability, and I am sorry for upsetting you and asking questions I shouldn't have asked. I didn't know the boundaries, otherwise I wouldn't have asked that question.
Okay. Well, since we know that you were wrong, and are you openly admitting that in court here
Yes,
today?
ma'am.
Yes, you are. Is there, you know what? The defense rests for the moment.
So hold on, give me 2.2 before attorney AJ. Never mind. Are you ready to
Thank you, Your
proceed
Honor.
I
first?
am ready. I am ready. Beverly, I want to start by saying thank you so much for being here, and also make sure that I make note of the fact to you, because it's come to my attention that you feel that it might be the color of your skin that makes you in spaces with people who do not look like you. Maybe you think we don't want you there, and that is absolutely not the case. So let me be the first to say that, okay? As a Black creator and individual, the color of your skin does not matter. It's just about how comfortable we are around you. So I want to make sure that you know that my whole basis of our questioning and my line of questioning for you is just about Tea Time's comfortability, okay? Not the color of her skin or yours, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Beverly. I just want to start off real slow. You said that you understood that Tea Time is not obligated to speak to you. However, you did send multiple messages. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You said that you take full accountability and you apologize for your behavior. So I'd like to ask you, what is it that you want from the court today?
I would like just to apologize. I would like for Tea Time to accept my apology. I will respect her not welcoming me in her panel, which I have, and only go into the panels I am welcome in.
Okay. I want to just talk really quick about etiquette when sending emails and what your understanding of that is, Beverly, just to help you moving forward, because I'm not sure about your relationship with these time, but I would hope that this wouldn't happen to you again. It seems from us as the community in the court reading your emails, you were